I need advice with Electrolux Dishwasher Troubleshooting.
The O1 error code means it detects a leak, usually under the tub. Remove the kick plate to see if there actually is a leak.
If there's a leak, I'll turn off water to the dishwasher and turn it off.
Turning off the water won't prevent leak through a crack in the tub dripping further on the floor, but it will help if there's a leaking water connection.
What if there isn't really a leak?
Call technical support to schedule a service person visit. The likely cause is a control board error.
I could power cycle it.
Yes, and do that for any error code on the Electrolux washer, but it rarely works. The O1 error code can also mean that water is backed up in the unit, so on your garbage disposal to try to clear that hose.
I do not think the unit is set to drain through the garbage disposal.
You ought to check the dishwasher drain and drain hose for clogs anyway.
It sounds like the O1 error code stands for almost anything except the water inlet valve being blocked.
Hold down the two buttons, favorite and heavy I think, until the flashing stops. After that, you may get an error code change or solve it.
That's easier than going to the breaker to flip it, so the unit loses power and then gets it back, also known as a power cycle.
After you do that reset, you may get a different error code. Hit the start button to see if it gets it to go.
What is EO2?
The thermistor failed, or the turbidity module fails.
I do not know what that second one is.
It measures how many food particles are in the water. Error 3 means the wash pump isn't operating.
That means call customer service.
Assuming there is not a bolt or nut in there, whether a whole almond or metal nut depends on the usage.
What is E4?
The dryer damper isn't working, though you can open it up and let it air out as a partial workaround.
Or break out the dishcloth.
EO5 and EO6 are errors for the fans used in the dry cycle, and the same solution applies for those.
What is EO7?
The drain valve isn't giving the right feedback to the control panel, though whether the valve is broken or control board is TBD.
All I know is either fix STMM too much money.
At least try resetting the unit via power cycling at the breaker before you call for service. So you don't do the appliance equivalent of calling for HVAC repair because you forgot to switch the thermostat from heat to cool.